Hi guys, I welcome you back to Lowe's. I always end up here when I've got nothing to do. But yeah, my daughter's up in Michigan, so I thought I'd come down here and browse around. So I've already had breakfast and I'm looking to make pot a couple of shady plants. Let me show you what I've got so far. So I've been eyeballing these pots every time that I've come here. So, oh, I'm knocking it over with all the plants in it. So I grabbed two of them. I got the green one and the blue one, and I'm going to make little shade gardens out of them. So I picked up, I'm going to put 3 plants in each. There is not much of a selection for shade plants anymore, so the pickings are slim. I do see some red pinks instead of the orange impatiens, so I might go with that. Let's find out. I've never planted coleus before, so, we'll see how that goes. I've got the 2 pots, and I'm going to put 3 pots in each. This is something new for me. I've never seen this, and there's only one of them here. It's a firecracker flower. So I've got a couple firecracker plants now, so it must have something to do with the color name. So anyway, let's see. I might swap out those orange ones with a couple red ones instead, though. I mean, look at these arrangements. How pretty are those? I love that chartreuse color on the leaves. But these are already pre-potted ones. And, you got the nice little variety on the pots there. But when you come over to the individuals here, this is all. You got some caladiums, some impatiens. I'm not interested in those. Those are too large and pre-planted. And so all that leaves me with is impatiens. So I'm still playing with my options. I think this one's pretty much done right here because I like this impatiens because it's getting some pink blooms on it too. So hopefully that'll break up the oranges. This one here I've got side by side with 2 different color impatiens, but I think it looks like too much. So I'm going to swap one of them out with a caladium and see what I think. All right, I made it home. I've got everything set up here. All right, guys, it is a hot Saturday here. Oh my God, look at how red and sweaty I am. It's like 10:30 in the morning and I think our humidity is at like 80%. So I'm gonna do my plants really quick here because I wanna get inside where it's nice and cool. Anyway, let's get to it. Oh, I can't do that yet. I gotta take the plastic off first. Okay, this one first. I think I'm gonna do this one in the blue. There we go. And there's already a hole popped in it. Okay? So I don't have to break any pots for this project. Gotta save the tag. I have to save the tag. There we go. Pull it. This guy's kind of dry. These are going to really need a heavy watering before I go outside with them. This one here is going to go at the top of my stairs on the porch. The other one's going to go at the bottom of the stairs. But getting them in nice and tight. This guy's so cute. Orange marmalade firecracker flower. Quite pretty. Look at that pretty orange shade. Oh, look at those roots too. Let's loosen that up. See, Mom? Look, Mom. Loosening up all the roots. I'm taking your advice. Huh, what do you think? That's one pot done there. And then these will get bigger and hide the dirt, which would be nice. Look at all my garbage. Oh, I think that looks pretty. That one's gonna go on the porch. Let's do this one. Here we go. All right, babies. Your time has come. And that bait wasn't enough dirt. I had to open the other one. Yeah, I had to open the other one. Not much is hit the floor. Yeah, here we go. Bag number 2. Glad I grabbed it. I'll admit, these impatiens here, these are probably too large to be put in these pots. These are mediums when I probably should have got larges. But at this point in time, it's like, hey, let's just see what happens. You know, no harm in trying. They might turn out beautiful and they might not, but I tried. I got some pretty pots for next season if they don't. There you go. Look like stragglers. Oh well, we'll see what happens. I tried to put these in kind of at an angle so they would spill over the edge. You know what? My sound is probably awful because I'm looking all over the place while I talk. Anyway, let's go put these outside. All right, guys, I got everything planted. Let's do the tour. So the one with the 3 plants, this firecracker, the coleus, and the impatiens, that's the one that made the top of the porch. Okay. These are my beautiful supertunias. Every time I stand by the front door, I just stand here and smile at these. Look at how wonderful they're doing. I mean, that's created like a wall. Oh. So anyway, this is where this planter got placed. This is the one with the 2 impatiens and the 1 coleus there. This is what it looks like. Let's do a little close-up for you. All right, you're probably wondering why I just threw that over the edge there. Let me show you what's over there. It's just a shrub. I just make sure I dump it down underneath there where it doesn't hurt anything. They take good care of their yard, don't they? Yeah. To each his own. All right, yeah. There's my balcony. See? It's not a whole lot. There's my fake tree and my gardening supplies. And my camera stand. So I don't come out here a whole lot because the window of times are so short. You know, when the weather is nice, you got 1 or 2 days and then it's hot and humid or it's freezing out. So I did take a few minutes to clean up my gardening area. It was really a mess on my balcony here. It was just a dumping ground. This is an antique school desk. It has the pencil ridges in it. Now it holds my gardening utensils, but it has these little wooden pegs. So if you wanted to, whoops, I'll show you both of them. So if you wanted to, is a writing table, it's at a nice angle, but we're not using it like that out here. It wasn't getting any use in the house. So I thought, you know what, this is perfect out here. So that's what I'm going to do on my gardening work. So you see my utensils, you see my weed and feed down there. I've got my dirt and my red bucket, my shovel, and there's a yellow jacket because I disturbed a nest. You stay away from me. And anyway, this is just kind of my storage shelf, be my camera stand when I do more planting. This is my repellent here for Yellowjackets and Wasps. just your basic bottle of rave. You spray it on the bugs and they can't fly and they fall to their death. It's mean, but I can't stand those guys. But this is the other side of my balcony. Everything is covered in this yellow pollen. When we get a nice cool day, I'll probably come and wash down the walls. I do it like once a year. The tree is hanging over that edge there because that's where I found the yellowjacket nest. And yeah, I coated it in hairspray. Anyway, so yeah, I really feel real good that I cleaned this area up, even though it looks really dusty from the yellow pollen. You know, it's just nice. It's nice because the clutter's gone. All my neighbors are out right now. Literally, I have 1, 2 over here, upstairs, downstairs, and below me. They all walked out right now at the same second I turned on the camera. But anyway, I thank you again for sitting down with me for whatever this turns out to be, 15-20 minutes long. It was just a really nice day today. Oh, do you hear it? It's raining, guys. It's raining. Oh. Can you hear the thunder? Wait, let's just enjoy it for a minute. Oh, shit makes me happy. Anyway, I've got rain. My dreams have come true. I'm sitting next to my beautiful new flowers. I love you guys. Thank you again for joining me today. See you in the next one.